Right, well, it says lithium ion battery, so do not load or transport package if damaged. So yeah, it should be, shouldn't it? Blah blah blah. Right, so we'll get on with the unboxing. Just a basic box, nothing special. Yeah, nothing special whatsoever really. Just a plain white box, so they're not wasting money on boxes. There we go. So what's this? Some sort of adapter? Oh right, in-car charger, yeah? So if you can plug it into your car, which is handy. Yeah, goes in your cigarette lighter or your 12 volt, whatever you want to call it. I didn't know I was getting that bit actually. So this is, it's a twin battery pack by the way, because you need two to go on the light, so that is quite heavy. That's quite an heavy battery. So, quickly show you that. Yeah, so I've got two of them. Oh, got ink on me, look. I'm going to have to go and sort that out. Before I do that, show you that one. Yeah, so they're quite heavy. So obviously you've got your mains charge for power. And what's that, a bit of paper? Wow, attention. Do not incinerate. Well, hopefully not. Do not short circuit. Well, I'm not going to do none of these. So just a little warning thing. A couple of languages, Chinese, I believe. I'm not an expert on reading different languages, but I assume one of them Chinese, could be Japanese. I don't know, but it's got it in English. And just safety, basically. And what else you got? Right. So this is the charger. Battery pack charger. Doesn't show you much. What's it saying here? Right, depending on your battery of course, 2 hour charging, high cap 3.5 hours. So digital camera, digital camcorder. So I've got digital camcorder, but it's not for that anyway, it's for my lighting. So that's that. So that's the unboxing. So yeah, not a lot in the box. Oh, let's do the unboxing of this, shall we? It would help, wouldn't it? Oh, a little sticker or something. Oh, QC passed. Not a sticker. Means they don't quality control. I'm always a bit dubious about companies that say they don't quality control because you don't always believe them. So it's a travel charger, says there. It's quite light, actually. But I don't care as long as it does the job. So I'm assuming that lights up. Yeah, it's a little light there, so it lights up. So how's that working? Is that going there? Right, so if you want to charge up using your car, or your 12 volt in your car, or whatever you got, you put it in the top, which is there, like so. And if you're doing it from the mains, obviously you put it in the bottom. So that's it. So that's the unboxing of my battery charger for my lighting, in case you decide you want to get one. I'll obviously stick a link in the description, taking you to Amazon where I bought it from, and you can purchase it from there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and this is my part 3 of my video. What I should do, sometime in the future, I will do a 4th video, which will be like my final review on my lighting system and all the products, you understand, the light and the battery pack, or the battery charger with the 2 batteries. The only downside with this is a single charger, and I've got 2 batteries, so it would have been nice to get a dual, but there you go. Beggars can't be choosers, so maybe next time I'll get a dual one. But for now, that's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.